I'm like adjusting my settings again because Chris was driving my car. He messed up my settings. I had them so perfect. Oh my god, I am so sleepy. I woke up, well, we both woke up super early because his nephew stayed over and we had to take him to his daycare this morning. And I give it up for parents that have to do this every single day. Like, get yourself ready, get your kids ready, take them to school. Like, it was a lot. And I'm exhausted. And I feel like it's 11 o'clock in the morning right now. And I feel like I need a nap. Oh my goodness. He was so cute though. Like, it was the cutest thing, getting him ready for school. I'm actually gonna go get my nails done again. I literally got them done a week ago. And they did such a bad job. Like, when I walked out of there, I was happy. I'm like, oh, he fixed it for me, because the place before that kept making my nails really thin. This guy fixed it, but he didn't. They did like a really poor job, and the nail polish is already chipping, and this is gel, and I only got it done a week ago. And multiple nails are lifting up. Like, so many of the nails are lifting up. So I'm like, I'm just gonna get these completely removed, and I'm gonna do SNS powder, because I have to put something on top of my nails because they're so weak that if I just leave them like with nothing on, they're literally just gonna break off, and they're gonna be very painful, and then I can't get any work done. So I'm just gonna remove these completely, cut them down. As much as I'm loving having long nails, I'm just gonna cut them down and do SNS powder. If you don't know what SNS powder is, it's literally like, I mean, I've only done it here in Maryland, because in Jersey I couldn't find any places that did it. So literally it's just like, they like coat your nails with something like a polish of some kind, then you dip your finger in powder, and it like turns into a solid, and basically that's it. And I really liked it because I felt like when I was doing that, my nails didn't feel really weak. Like, every time you go do SNS powder, they remove it completely and then you redo it, and my nails were actually getting a little stronger, and it also served as a protective barrier, like, so that my nails wouldn't break. I stayed up last night looking up Yelp reviews and going through so many different nail salons, and I finally found one that I think is gonna do a decent job, hopefully, because I'm driving kind of out of the way. Some of you guys sent me recommendations, but they were really far for me. All right guys, I got my nails done. Here they are. Like I told you guys earlier, I removed those acrylics. They were terrible. And I just got the SNS powder, and the salon that I went to, they did a really, really nice job. I feel like they shaped them really nicely. Like, they just look like simple plain nails. I don't know what color this is. Every nail salon that I've gone to, and I've gone to 3 different ones that do SNS powder, they don't have names. They're just like numbers. So like, you literally just pick the color you want, and they bring out a tub. So yeah, these are my nails. I'm actually really excited because I have to edit tonight's video, and it's gonna be so much easier to edit with these shorter nails, and it's been so easy texting all day. It's the best. So I'm gonna take advantage and film a haul for you guys. I'm gonna be doing a like holiday outfit inspo for you guys. If any of you guys are going to holiday parties or doing anything fun for Christmas Eve, Christmas, New Year's Eve, I'm gonna give you guys some inspo. So I'm gonna film that now. I got all the stuff here, and I'll be back. I just finished filming the try on portion of the video, and now I'm gonna do the sit down portion of it. Come on, Maxie, let's go out there. This is my mess of a filming station right now. I really am going to clean it up this week. Yesterday I went to Target, and I just want to show you guys what I got. It's literally just a little Target haul. So first I got this rose scented incense, and it just smells so good because it doesn't really smell like roses. It smells like the prettiest rose perfume. I don't even know, but it smells so good. And it's literally incense sticks, and Chris hates incense, so I'm not gonna turn it on until he leaves for work. And then see, this one I had on last night, it brings this little metal thing where you just put the incense stick, and that's it. But yeah, it smells so good. And then I got some hair accessories. I got these bobby pins. These are gold, and they're curved. They're not regular bobby pins. Like, they're kind of just like smooth and curved, so it'll like lay perfectly on your head. And I wanted these more for like accessories, but they're from the brand Scoonchy, I think that's how you say it. And then this, I've been trying to find these for so long, and I went into Target not thinking they would have it, but they actually had it. It's by the same brand. And basically, like, when I do my makeup, I always want to like pull my hair back or like put clips on the sides, but then I always get like a mark left by any type of clips that I use, and these are supposed to not leave any marks at all. So I'm hoping that these actually work out the next time I do my makeup. Then I got these random sticker tags. I want to start wrapping the Christmas gifts that I've gotten so far, and then I got these little stickers that brings 50, so that's quite enough. And literally I can just write like who the gift is for and stick it right on the gift and be done with that. Max, he was like licking, he thinks everything is a toy. So I got 2 of these, which are 2 plush pillowcases in this really pretty pink color, and they were only $5 each, and I'm pretty sure it only brings 1, but just in case I grabbed 2 because there weren't too many left. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's only 1 pillowcase, because why else would it only be $5? And they're so soft. They're like this pretty plush color. I don't know yet if I'm gonna keep it, because we're getting our new bed in a few days, and I want to get like a new comforter and like have everything look kind of matchy, but like same color family, like not exactly matchy but the same color family. And I don't know yet if this is gonna work, but if it does, I'll hold on to them for now. If not, I'll just return it. But it's just so soft. Max thinks it's a toy for him. He likes plush toys. He's not like a bone kind of toy dog. He likes like teddy bears and stuff like that. Then we got Maxie a set of PJs. I wanted something more Christmassy, but this is the only thing I found so far. I'm gonna try it on him. This is a size small. I'm gonna try it on him to see if it looks cute. If not, I'm gonna try to go to Petco or PetSmart later this week to see what options they have. But this was only $10, so I felt like this was pretty good. You're gonna wear this for Christmas, you know that? And last but not least, I think we're gonna do Christmas PJs for Christmas Eve this year. And I do have like my striped pair of pajamas, but I wanted another pair. I think this is what I'm gonna wear like on Christmas Eve. I don't know if we do that, but it's a onesie. And Max, he's trying to eat the pillows. It's a onesie, and it's so comfortable. If you guys have been watching all of our Vlogmases, this is like the pajama that me and Chris saw when we first went to Target. And I didn't get it, and I went back today, and they actually had more sizes in stock, so I was able to get it. I'm gonna try it on, see if it even fits, but this is an extra small / small, and I cannot wait. I feel like it's gonna be so comfy. But yeah, that's my little Target haul. I got my juicer. I actually got this juicer a week ago, and I haven't opened it yet because I had purchased juices and I wanted to drink those first before actually making my own. And I'm done with them, so now I get to make my own. And this juicer, I got it on sale on Amazon during Cyber Monday. So luckily I got into like my little juicing craze right before the sales, and I was able to get this juicer. Pray for me. I feel like I suck at making things. Like I'm not the best at like cooking and making things like this. So hopefully, oh, we got a little booklet with recipes. Hopefully my juices come out okay. I also hope it's not difficult to put together because I don't like to read instructions. I always make Chris do it whenever we buy like a new appliance. I always have Chris read the instructions because I don't know, it's just so confusing to me. I'd rather watch a video on how to do something. That's how I learn, like more visually. All right, so far so good. You know what, I'm gonna wash these and these because my fruits and veggies are gonna go through these. So I'm gonna wash these first and put it together, and we'll be back. Okay guys, I set up my juicer. It was actually pretty easy. And I got my fruits and veggies ready. They're all cleaned, washed, everything's been washed. I even got these glass jars, bottles. They're 16 ounces because that's exactly, first of all, the recipe that I got is supposed to be 16 ounces. Hopefully it comes out right. The juices that I was drinking, they were always 16 ounces, and that's why I wanted to get these. And then the recipe that I'm doing is by this guy called Joe Cross. I watched his documentary a few weeks ago, and he has this green juice recipe called the Mean Green Juice. So that's the one that I'm following. The only thing I'm missing is ginger, and I was supposed to get big kale leaves, but I could only find baby kale leaves. So I don't know how mine is gonna come out, but I'm gonna try it anyways. And I know it's gonna take me a few tries to like really perfect what I like. Also, this is my first time doing my own juice, so if you're a pro juicer, don't be so harsh. Leave me your tips, that would be great. And I'm probably gonna go watch some more juicing videos after this, but I'm just dying to try it. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I hope it comes out good. Guys, we're gonna get started. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just start. Oh, okay, it's on. Ah, it's on. Okay. I'm gonna start with the cucumber. How does this work? Oh. It's making juice. Oh my god. Okay. I can't believe I'm making juice. Let me bring you guys a little bit closer. As you can see, the recipe that I followed literally is about to tip over. Yeah, that wasn't too smart of me. I should have like paused and put it. Oh my god, this is a lot. Guys, I put my straw here so that I can drink some of it and have it not tip over. It tastes so good. I cannot believe how good this tastes. Okay, I have a ginormous mess now, but look at this. I was able to fill my 16-ounce jar. I drank some. There's even a little bit more left in here. I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna make a few more. Like, I'm gonna follow the exact same recipe and just use up all of the produce that I bought so that it doesn't go bad. And I will touch base with you guys when I'm done, because this is a ginormous mess. Let's see how many juices I can make today. Oh my god, I'm so proud of my babies, my green juices. I cannot believe I made these. I feel so proud of myself. I made these. Look at how beautiful they look. We need to make other juices so we can have all colors. So I just finished cleaning up. It was actually pretty easy to clean up. I have a garbage disposal, which makes things even easier. So literally all the junk, all the leftover junk, I just put in my garbage disposal. Oh, I love you. I love when he wants to cuddle with me. It was pretty easy to clean up. I just finished washing everything and it's there drying. I was able to make 4 juices, 4 of the green juices. And I realized why it was overflowing at first. The recipe I was following actually made, for me, it made over 16 ounces. And I think it was because the cucumbers that I got were like double the size of regular cucumbers. So for the last 2 juices, I cut them in half and I only did half of those cucumbers. And then I only did 3 apples instead of 4 because it was just coming out way too much. And again, like I said before, the only thing I was missing in mine was the ginger because I couldn't find ginger. But I wanted to make it today anyways because I didn't want to have the produce go to waste. And I cannot believe how good everything tastes. That being said, I'm gonna end this vlog here because I'm pretty much just going to continue drinking my green juice. And I'm probably gonna watch something on Netflix. I don't know, on Sundays, today's Sunday by the way, and on Sundays I always get in the mood to watch some type of documentary type of show. So I think I'm gonna finish watching The Staircase on Netflix, and yeah.